Hey guys, we're back today in my sweaty garage to install these Powerflex upper engine mount inserts for my Mark 6 Volkswagen GTI. What these will do is these will fill the air pockets from the factory in the engine mount to stiffen everything up and hopefully get some more power to the wheels, because that's always fun. So we're just gonna jump right in. Doesn't look too hard, and we're gonna get these put in. I'm already sweating. Okay, so for this install, you actually have to take the engine mount completely out. That is the only way to get the inserts in. And to do that, since you're taking the mount off, you've got to jack up the oil pan. Well, not really jack up, you've got to get it right up on there, giving it just enough pressure with a piece of wood in between so you don't dent the pan, to be able to get the mount out right here without destroying the whole engine and just going zoop. So there's about 4 bolts, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and you've got to move the windshield washer reservoir and the coolant tank. Those aren't too hard to move, so we're going to start with those and then get in there and get the bolts out. There's definitely no room for it. That's going to go there, so then that can just mosey itself on out of the way. Oh, that's right, there's that other screw. I think both those come out actually. Nifty. All right, push-pull connector. All right, there we go. Fingernail hurts now. Beautiful. And out. That can actually go over there for some of these. All right, so we're going to start with the comically large breaker bar. See if that sweaty. One bolt out. And the engine is now no longer connected. The comically large breaker bar is coming back. You just get so much smooth torque on it. And it's my favorite way of not stripping a bolt, because I've stripped so many that I will do anything to not strip it. Definitely need this one. All right. Now this is it. Motor mount is out. So the mount's out. Now we're gonna work on installing both of these inserts. I actually found that these prongs right here go into the little holes right in here. So we're gonna put these through. I was messing around with it a little bit and we got some assembly grease. So we're gonna work on some of that. I am thinking this should go in first. It's gonna have to slide in. Let's get some grease on there. This goes upside down from what I would think it would go, but there and there. Oh, it's kind of sliding in. All All right, let's get the rubber mallet real quick. Rubber mallet, rubber mallet. Ow. Whoopsies. All right, rubber mallet helps out a lot. I think that's actually in all the way because this. Okay, so pops in behind that, at least to a degree, I think. There's a little lip there. And then the front side, this side goes up like that, and there's little knobs that connect in. So. Then goes in like that. Ooh, that goes in so much nicer. And then there's little holes that it goes in. Let's put that in there. Then I'll try to show you. I think it's something. Yeah, you slide it through. It locks like that. I think that keeps it in place. That is engine mount inserts. Inserted. That should settle in. There it is. I moved around on screen a lot, but I think it's looking pretty good. Get in there. Now, if you look, I can still move it a little bit, but it's a lot harder. And this should very much help with a lot of the engine lurching and some wheel hop as well under heavy acceleration, so that we can get more power to the wheels. Because we're making a decent amount now with some of the new mods, but we need to get it down to the ground. So let's get to it. The inserts are in. Now we're gonna get this back in its place. Not something I ever thought I'd have to do. I love South Georgia weather. Just having fun. Amalgamation of adapters, but it works. Okay, you're tightish. I was gonna go to the gym tomorrow, but this has been all I need. Just sweating buckets, you can see it everywhere. I lost the 10 pounds that I wanted to. Weight reduction in the driver. Does that count as weight reduction overall? I think it does. Yeah. Okay, they're tight. Now we just gotta torque everything down to spec. Gotta figure out what that is and get it all down, because I'm excited. I wanna try this out. After I throw away this shirt, because holy cow, it's nasty. Torque bar. Engine mount to body, 40 plus additional, okay. All right, that's 40. All right, that's engine to body. It's gonna be a 40 plus 90. Can't go 90. Works for me. 40 plus 90. And that's eep. All right. I think that's everything bolted down to spec. So sweet. That's a good amount. Now let's just get all this back in. You're there. I love Middle Georgia. It's not hot at all. All right. So engine mount insert is in, everything's torqued down to spec. We're gonna take it out on the butt dyno report to see how this does. If you would like to go see if there are any performance gains or what it feels like to drive with the Powerflex regular yellow, not black series, the regular engine mount insert, how that does, head over to my YouTube channel, find the butt dyno video, or it might be on one of these corners, who knows. Check it out, and please subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.